Derry City is located in Northern Ireland and is the main city of County Derry, Londonderry. The vibrant city is full of hustle and bustle, offering visitors a range of sightseeing opportunities and tourist attractions to immerse themselves in the complex history of Derry's past. First on this guide is exploring the historic Derry City Walls, one of the most important urban sites in Ireland. The city walls brings to life the story of Northern Ireland's unforgettable past, a living monument that reminds us of the Troubles, a long period of conflict in Northern Ireland. For decades, the city walls were closed off, but since the peace process, it has become one of the most visited tourist attractions in Derry. The walls haven't been changed and still show its original 17th century structure that offers great views across the city. These defensive walls still stand among the best preserved fortifications in Europe. A visit to the walls is a chance to walk through Irish history. The Derry City Walls were constructed between 1613 and 1618 by the City of London trading companies as part of the plantation of Ulster. The walls were built to defend the newly established city of Derry against potential attacks from Irish rebels and rival powers. They form a complete circuit around the old city centre of Derry, spanning approximately 1 mile in length. They vary in height and thickness, with some sections reaching up to 8 metres in height and 9 metres in width. The walls are punctuated by 7 gates, which serve as the main entrances to the city. The walls are also adorned with bastions, towers, and cannon platforms, which provided additional defensive capabilities and served as lookout points for the city's defenders. The walls are actively managed by the Northern Ireland Environment Agency and the local council, with support from heritage organisations and community groups. There are many tour guides in Derry that will take you around one of Ireland's best preserved 400-year-old wall structures and dive deeper into its history. Highly recommend doing as many tour guides as you can, especially if you have never been to this enchanting city before. The Guildhall is one of the most recognisable landmarks of Derry. It is a beautiful building that houses the city's council chambers and a museum. It was built in 1887 and is a prominent example of neo-Gothic architecture. It was designed by the architect Edward William Godwin and constructed using red sandstone. The building has served various purposes throughout its history, including as the administrative centre for the city, a venue for civic ceremonies and events, and a symbol of local government and civic pride. It was previously referred to as Victoria Hall, since it was common practice to name sites in the British Empire after the reigning Queen. Because of its close ties to London and its many guilds, the building's present name honours this link. Guildhall will impress visitors with its fascinating history and appeal. Inside, it's just as stunning as the outside, with its grand staircase and more. In 2013, this attraction underwent a huge restoration. It now boasts a brilliant tourism experience that has become popular with those visiting the city. The St. Columb's Cathedral is one of the city's most iconic landmarks, and is in fact it is the city's oldest building. It has been a place of worship for over 400 years and is steeped in history. This impressive building has survived the turbulent past of the walled city and is one of the top historic landmarks in Derry. St. Columb's Cathedral was built in the late 17th century and is the oldest surviving cathedral in Northern Ireland. The Museum of Free Derry was established in 2007 to commemorate the events of Bloody Sunday, a significant moment in the history of the Northern Ireland conflict, also known as the Troubles. The museum's mission is to preserve the memory of Bloody Sunday and the wider struggle for civil rights and social justice in Northern Ireland, as well as to promote understanding and reconciliation among communities affected by the Troubles. The Bogside area of the city is home to a series of political murals that tell the story of the city's turbulent past and political civil unrest. It's a powerful reminder of the struggles of the people and an illustration of how far the county has come in recent years. The Bogside murals are similar to that of the Belfast Peace Walls, telling tales of the historical past and remembering the hardships of Northern Ireland and its people. The Bogside murals have profoundly impacted the city of Derry, Londonderry, serving as symbols of resilience and defiance in the face of adversity. They have become a significant tourist attraction drawing visitors from around the world who admire the artistry and learn about the history behind the murals. Derry is also the perfect spot for a family getaway, with lots of fun experiences and activities that create loving family memories to reminisce over. For those looking for something a little more laid back, Derry is home to the charming craft village. It was established in the 1990s as a cultural and retail space aimed at promoting traditional crafts and local artisans. It was designed to resemble a traditional Irish village, with narrow cobbled streets, colourful storefronts, and quaint buildings that reflect the city's heritage and architectural style. The craft village is built on the site of the historic Butcher's Gate, one of the original gates in the city walls, which dates back to the 17th century. Located in the Sperrin Mountains, Gortmore Viewpoint is home to the iconic Manannan Mac Lir statue and offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside and the Atlantic Ocean. The Gortmore Viewpoint is located within the Binnavenna area of outstanding natural beauty, a designated protected landscape known for its scenic cliffs, rolling hills, and diverse wildlife. The area surrounding the viewpoint is rich in biodiversity, with habitats ranging from heathland and woodland to wetlands and coastal marshes. It is home to a variety of plant and animal species, including rare orchids, birds of prey, and butterflies. If you are a nature lover, we also recommend you to visit the Binnavenna Forest. This beautiful forest is located near Limavady and offers a range of walking trails through the woodland and along the shores of Lough Foyle. The mountains of Binnavenna Forest were created over 60 million years ago by molten lava. And interestingly, it was also used as one of the Game of Thrones filming locations. If you're planning an adults-only adventure in Derry, there is a lot you can get up to. Check out our top things to do in Derry for the grown-ups in our Connolly Cove website. When you spend time in Derry, it will be an unforgettable experience. Whether you're interested in spotting nature's animals in the many forest walks or wanting to become a party animal yourself, you can do it all when you're in Derry. If you want to explore more of Irish culture, visit us on connollycove.com